आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In a factory, the number of units manufactured in a month follows the linear function n is equals to 231 into d, where n is the number of units produced in the month and d is the number of days elapsed in the month. Which of the following represents 231 in the above equation? Okay, so we know that the given equation is n is equals to 231 into d, where n is the number of units produced in the month and d is equals to the number of days elapsed in a month. So now we know that w is equals to r into t, where w is the work done, r is nothing but the rate, and t is nothing but the time. So when we compare this equation, that is equation 2, with the given equation, which is equation 1, we get d is the number of days elapsed in the month. So therefore d is the time. N is nothing but the number of units produced in the month. So n is the work done. So 231 is equals to the rate. So 231 is nothing but the number of units manufactured in a day in the whole month of time. So therefore, we can say that the answer is option C, that is the number of units manufactured each day of the month.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।